students, we continue the video lecture course on the discipline English Stylistics. The theme of the 10th lecture is Figurative Language, a Powerful Tool for Communication. The main objectives of the lecture: to understand what figurative language is and how it differs from literal language, to identify various types of figurative language such as metaphor, similar, personification, hyperbole, idioms, and symbolism, to recognize how figurative language enhances communications by adding depth, creativity, and emotional impact to both written and spoken language. What is metaphor? A metaphor compares two unlike things without using words like or as. For example, time is a thief. He is a lion in the fight. The city is a jungle. What is a similar? A similar uses words like or as to compare two unlike things. For example, her voice was like a songbird. The car was as fast as a cheetah. Other forms of figurative language: personification, giving human qualities to inanimate objects or abstract concepts; hyperboles, exaggeration for emphasis or humor; understatement, minimizing the importance of something for effect; engaging the audience. Figurative language helps the reader or listener picture the scene in their mind. It evokes feelings and emotions, making the message more impactful. Figurative language creates a lasting impressions on the audience. Metaphors and similars in famous works. We have two ones. The first one, I Have a Dream, by Martin Luther King, and examples in it: let freedom ring from the prodigious hilltops of New Hampshire. The second one, The Great Gatsby, by Francis Scott. For example, he had one of those rare smiles with a quality of internal reassurance in it that you may come across 4 or 5 times in life. Metaphors in poetry. Metaphors create deeper meanings and symbolisms. They create a powerful emotional impact for their reader. Metaphors spark the reader's imagination. Similars in creative writing. Similars enhance descriptions by comparing objects to familiar things. They highlight similarities and differences between two things. Similars make it easier for readers to understand complex concepts. Figurative language in advertising. Look at the pictures. And the first one, memorable taglines. Figurative language creates catchy and memorable taglines. On the second one, emotional connections. It creates an emotional connection with consumers. Overuse of figurative language. Excessive metaphors can make their writing unclear and confusing. Overuse of similars can create a humorous effect that's not intended. Too much figurative language can diminish the impact of individual metaphors. In conclusion, figurative language plays a vital role in enhancing communication by adding layers of meaning, emotion, and creativity to both spoken and written language. By moving beyond the literal meaning of words, figurative language allows speakers and writers to express complex ideas, evoke powerful emotions, and create memorable, vivid images that resonate with audiences. Understanding the different types of figurative language, such as metaphors, similes, personifications, hyperbolas, idioms, and symbolisms, enable communicators to choose the right tools for the message they wish to convey. Moreover, figurative language encourages creativity and imaginative thinking, fostering a deeper connection between the speaker or writer and their audience. It's through its strategic use that we are able to convey abstract concepts, create strong impressions, and build bridges between diverse audiences, ensuring our message resonates far beyond the surface level. Your home task will be to answer for the next questions. Thank you for your attention.